we. What is the sound of the letter we? The sound of the letter we is V. Come on, say it with me. Well done. Now, let's see what starts with the letter V. This is a van. Van. Great work. Here, we can see the mother outside the vet with her pet dog. Can you spot what word starts with the letter V? First, we have west. Vest. Then we have wet. Come on, say it with me. Wet. Next, we have a fan. What is it? Van. Great work. Now, it's your turn to say the letter V.